Generation Healing and Empowerment Center is a home away from home for girls who were disadvantaged, especially those got pregnant and were rejected by the fathers of the children and even their parents. So taking them in here, they're at home, but also they are in school at the same time. This is who we are. We're trying to love these kids who have been deprived of love. We have been very privileged to have a team from Keystone and the IT partners visiting us this week, and they're doing so many great things. We got donations of computers from the IT partners. They came along with guys who have set it all up. Today we've got our first lessons for the girls who have never touched computers in their lives. We've also had some of the members building for us desks. It would have costed us twice as much if we were to buy them. But Vince and his team have done a great job building these tables for the computers with the girls. So the girls have participated in carpentry work and they have learned how to build tables. So we are hoping in future when we need furniture, we are going to ask these girls who have been trained to make for us. And so we have specific needs, especially accommodation is one of actually our greatest needs. Right now the girls are sleeping on the floor in 2 large rooms, which actually should be classrooms, because the girls are doing accelerated learning where they sit for the national examination. With the national examination certificate, it opens for them doors to go to high school or to go for other skills training. And the other skills training, right now we are doing tailoring, we are doing catering. We are going to introduce carpentry, like we have said. We are going to introduce arts and crafts. Now we have introduced the computer. We thank God at least we do have the computer labs. So this is a very exciting thing. We are also very excited about all the networking, and actually this is in Uganda. We are probably one of the first people that are using Starlink. And with the internet, the girls are now global learners because they can access YouTube tutorials that can enhance their understanding, their knowledge and their skills. So this is so exciting for them. It's like a leap to the moon, because if they were not here, they would never have had that opportunity. So we are really thankful to IT partners for this great donation, and we believe that in the future they are going to produce high quality products because now they have access to internet.